it's Piper My Hair, and today I'm doing a hair video. And the funny thing is this took me for figure out what video to do today, and I was like, you know what, I've showed them how to take care of hair at night after I take a shower and how I do my everyday makeup. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do my hair how I do it. Now this hair is not like fancy hair, like going out, like I curl my hair, I put it up in a bun, oh my god. Yes, I am in my bathroom. I'm gonna be doing like a low ponytail kind of look that I do when I'm just chilling at home and watching Netflix. So first of all, yes, this is my brush. Don't judge me. You're just gonna brush your hair until it feels like the way you want it to be, like the way you want it to feel. So this is just how I brush my hair. I go all the way down, and then sometimes I'll just brush the ends after. Back of my head's always tangly the most. So. And yes, I took a shower last night. Sometimes I put leave-in conditioner in my hair only whenever it's like I'm going somewhere important the next day or whatever, and then I'll do this. Now, like I said, when I was younger and my hair care video or whatever, to take a shower, I told you that when I was younger, I think I was 8 or whatever, I cut my hair to right here. And I've been trying to take care of my hair so it would grow. Like, my dream is to have really long hair in high school. And, like, I'm trying my hardest to take care of it. Like, I just finally figured out how to clean my like an actual human. Like, I struggled trying to clean my hair when I was younger. Like, I couldn't do it. I needed help from my mom. So, like, a year ago, I figured out how to do it. Yes, you might be making fun of me right now, but don't judge me. Like, I was very scared when I was younger to get, like, all the soap in my eyes. I thought it was gonna make me blind. So, yeah. So, as soon as you're done brushing your hair, you're gonna wanna take a scrunchie or whatever. You can use a hair tie. For example, I use these kind, not the thin ones, because I hate thin hair ties. But I'm gonna be using a scrunchie. I don't know where I got this. But then I just put it behind my ears, and then I pull it back like this. It should look like that. And then I brush the back down, or right here, honestly, and take all the bumps out because I hate bumps and it drives me nuts. I like literally take all my hair out if I see a bump and I redo it. That's how perfection my hair has to look. That's just how I am. So you're just gonna do this, brush it until all the bumps go out. And yes, my line is not perfect, but I don't care. I would if I'm going somewhere. Sometimes I do this when I like go somewhere. My parents go inside of the store or whatever, and I stay in the car. This is what it should look like. And then you're just gonna loosely make it loose because I like it when it looks baggy. And I go around it like 3 or twice, 2 times. And then you squeeze like this, and it should look like this. Okay, and then I take little hairs right here and I pull them out like that. I love it whenever my hair looks like this. It's like bomb. Then I do it to the other side. Sometimes it messes up and I have to fix it. But this time it luckily did not mess up. I'm so happy it didn't. And then I just brush it out until it gets looking flat. If it doesn't look flat, it's fine. It doesn't really matter. Sometimes I leave one out and I tuck one behind my ear. It just depends on how I want it to look. And then this side needs a little more because the other side has more. So just like that. This is what my hair looks like after I do that. And then I'm gonna do this because honestly, that's how I do it. Or I'll just do one. That's what I'm gonna do. So then I'm gonna take this little piece right here, make it a little bit bigger, just a little bit, and then put it back like it originally was. And then I'm gonna clip it back or take a bobby pin or whatever you want and just put it back there. And then I'll undo the bobby pin whenever I'm ready to put it back out. That's just what I do. Like, I spent a lot of time on my hair. When I was little, I literally just did not take care of it at all. Like, to be honest with you guys, I hated my hair. Like, that's why I chopped it off, because I didn't like my hair. And then I started taking care of it, and it started looking like an actual girl's hair. So this is pretty much what I do. This is what I look like after a while. It should look like this. And sometimes off and on, I'll just go in and brush it, just to make sure it looks soft and clean, you know? So that is what I do to take care of my hair and my everyday hair look. I hope you guys like this video and get some tips from it. And I hope you guys like and subscribe on this video and subscribe to me because I'm awesome. I post like once a week, and yeah. Don't forget to look at my old videos because my old videos are funny. So I love you guys so much. Have a great day. I love you. Bye!